Hi, this is David Marsh with eMiniTradingStrategies.com. Today is August 9th, 2010. I have to leave town on some personal business for the rest of the week, so wanted to hopefully catch a quick one and done for a video for the blog, as probably won't see any more for the rest of the week. So right now we're looking at a potential long normal system entry. It'll be a standard normal system entry, meaning that it's not coming out of no zone. You'll see we're in no zone right here pre-market, and this short NSE, which would have been a 4-tick winner depending on your fill price, was before the opening bell, so really wasn't valid, but I'll definitely take the next normal system entry to the long side if it presents itself. Also keeping an eye on my long-term filter, which is currently long, but if it were to go short, then during a certain portion of time I would not take any long trades, but that's not an issue at this point. Right now we're just waiting for a trade. Now if we start seeing a lot of downward momentum, then the long-term filter is going to go short. I'll try to grab a pullback trade, take it for 4 ticks, be done for the day, and well, really done for the week. So at this point, again, if we get a long NSC, I want to get my fill price and no worse than 24.75. So if we were to signal right now, and of course the market's moving back down, but if we're heading back up here, I'd be ready to go here long at 24.75. And as the market moves, my entries are going to change, of course. So at this point, there's not a whole lot going on. It's pretty slow open, so I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, and we will come back here shortly. Okay, we're back. You can see we're looking for a pullback trade. The market has turned down. My long-term indicator is close to going short. Not quite short yet, but it's almost a certainty that it's going to happen. So I'm going to try to take the pullback, because I know once a long-term indicator goes short, I'm sorry, I should say the long-term filter goes short, I will not want to I can't take any long trades based on my system rules for a set period of time. So, oops, there it goes right there. She just went short. So I'm definitely looking for a pullback trade. Now there's opportunity here, and we went over that on a couple trades last week where we got filled on a pullback trade. The long-term filter had went long, and we had the opportunity to definitely grab some more profit off of it. So it worked out nice. So we'll see if we can do the same thing here. But let's pause for just a moment. Okay, we're back. We are short the pullback trade. Market kind of turning right around against us here. We do have a 6-tick stop loss on our pullback. Now, I'm only going to go for a 4-tick target. The long-term filter went short somewhere around here, and if I had turned right around, I was filled up here, I'd have definitely tried to go for more. But because the long-term filter is no longer in play, that's all I'm going to go for is the 4 ticks. Now also, notice we just had a long NSC. Well, technically this is now valid because the long-term filter is no longer relevant. Now, if this happened a few bars back, this wouldn't have not been valid. But in any event, there's nothing I can do. I made a decision to take a short pullback trade based on the direction of the trend and based off the long-term filter. So the fact that there's a normal system entry to the long side really is irrelevant in this case. I would simply stick with my trade and let it do its thing. Now, again, it was just a few bars to where that made this valid, but I try to keep things real. If it happened up here, this NSC long would not have been valid. So if I did not get filled on this pullback, perhaps maybe it canceled or something, then I could have taken the long NSC based on a long-term filter. But so far, pullback trade is looking really nice here, and we're off for a beautiful target. And that's it for today, guys. That's our one and done for August 9th, 2010. I thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week.